Ano nga ba ang magandang gawin sa 13th month pay at Christmas bonus ninyo? Yan ang pag-uusapan natin sa video na to. Hello and welcome to my channel, and for today ang pag-uusapan natin ay saan ba maganda gastusin or i-invest or ano bang magandang gawin sa 13th month pay at saka sa Christmas bonus na matatanggap ninyo ngayong taon. Before we proceed, I hope ay nakapag-subscribe na kayo sa ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/readytoberichyt, at nakafollow na rin sa ating Facebook page na facebook.com/readytoberich. So, ano nga bang dapat natin gawin sa ating 13th month pay at Christmas bonus? So where should you put your 13th month pay? Meron dalawang sagot dyan. Yung first one is what you would normally hear from a financial expert or a financial guru or coach. Yung pangalawa ay yung usual na sagot ko. Pag may tinanong ka na financial advisor or financial planner, ang isasagot sa iyo niyan ay number one, magbayad ng utang. So use your 13th month pay or Christmas bonus to pay off your debts. Pwedeng credit card debt or yung mga loan or may utang ka sa kakilala mo or kaibigan mo or kapamilya mo. So gamitin mo yung pera para magbayad ng utang. The second thing that you can do is to save for an emergency fund. Kung wala ka pang ipon, wala kang savings, wala kang emergency fund, mas maganda na wag mo na itong gastusin at itabi mo na lang siya para sa emergency fund mo. The third answer that you'll probably hear is to use that money for your holiday spending. Siyempre, during Christmas, marami tayong mga gastos, may mga bibilhin tayong mga regalo, may mga handaan, etc. Idagdag mo na yung 13th month pay at Christmas bonus mo sa mga gastusin. In fact, I believe na yun rin naman yung original plan for this. Kaya tayo binibigyan ng 13th month pay, yung ibang company 14th, 15th month pay. It is to help us with our holiday spending. Fourth and the last answer that you'll probably hear is to invest the money. So it's important to prepare for our future. Meron tayong extra money ngayon, then probably it's a good idea to put it towards our retirement fund or towards the college education of our child. So pwede natin siyang i-invest sa isang unit investment trust fund or mutual fund or even sa stock market. May mga kilala ako, pinandadagdag din nila ito sa kanilang Pag-ibig MP2 investments. So if you ask a financial expert or a financial advisor kung saan ba maganda dalhin ang 13th month pay, malamang isa dun sa apat na yon ang maririnig mo. Either magbayad ng utang, pangdagdag sa emergency fund or savings mo, pandagdag sa gastos mo during the holiday season, or i-invest mo siya. Pero pag ako yung tinatanong, iba ang sagot ko. If you ask me kung saan ba maganda dalhin ang 13th month pay, I will tell you to spend it according to your priorities. It is your money, it is your life, and it is your decision. So tanungin mo, ano ba ang pinakamahalaga sa buhay mo ngayon? For example, if your priority is peace of mind, then maybe it's a good idea to use the money to pay off your debts or to build your emergency fund para hindi ka kinakabahan or hindi ka nasa-stress sa mga tumatawag sa'yo na collecting agencies. What if ang priority mo is better productivity kasi kailangan ng palitan yung laptop na ginagamit mo? Then, use the money to buy a new gadget, a new laptop, a new cellphone. Depende kung ano yung makakatulong sa'yo na mas maging productive sa work. What if ang priority mo ay makapagpahinga to distress, no? So, you can use the money to probably go on vacation during December or probably do some retail therapy, mag-shopping ka, pumunta ka sa spa, pamper yourself, have some me time. What if ang priority mo ngayon ay to provide for your children? So you can use the money and invest it for their college education. So depende talaga kung ano yung priority mo, ano yung importante sa'yo, ano yung mahalaga sa buhay mo ngayon. This means that you really need to sit down, reflect, magkaroon ka ng muni-muni, pag-isipan mo, sa lahat ng mga nangyayari sa buhay ko ngayon, ano ba yung pinaka-importante? Ano yung pinakamahalaga para sa akin? Personal finance is personal and how you spend your money is a personal decision. But it should be a well thought out decision. Dapat pinag-isipan mo yung mga desisyon mo sa buhay. Your life is a result of your decisions and actions. Sabi ng isang French philosopher na si Albert Camus, life is a sum of all your choices. Wala tayong control sa mga mangyayari sa buhay natin, pero meron tayong control kung paano tayo magre-respond or magre-react sa mga ito. Yung mga desisyon natin sa buhay, yung mga pinipili natin, yung mga actions na ginagawa natin, ito yung bubuo ng buhay natin. So, if we're reflecting kung ano ba yung mga importante, ano ba yung mga mahalaga para sa akin, ano ba ang priority ko ngayon, it will depend on the actions, the decisions, the choices that you make today kung maaabot mo ba yung mga yon. Kung makukuha mo ba yung mga gusto mo in the future. So, think about that. What are your priorities right now? And how can you make those goals a reality? And use that as a guide kung saan mo ba dapat ilalagay yung 13th month pay mo. So, ngayon natanggap mo na yung 13th month pay mo, yung Christmas bonus mo, you have a few questions that you can ask yourself. Number 1, which emotion would you like to feel? Ano yung gusto mong maramdaman? Yung excitement na meron kang bagong cellphone o yung peace of mind and calm na alam mo meron kang ipon, meron kang emergency fund? Number 2, which experience would you like to have? Gusto mo ba yung adventure na nagta-travel? Then probably use the money for vacation. Or gusto mo ma-experience yung proud moment na makikita mo yung anak mo na gumagraduate ng college? Then probably that's a good priority to put it towards your child's college education. Number 3, which is more important to you? Yung marinig mo yung mga kaibigan mo na pinipraise ka or kino-compliment ka kasi ang ganda ng forma mo dahil meron kang bagong damit or bagong sapatos. Or yung tumigil yung mga collecting agency sa pagtawag sa'yo dahil sinisingil ka na sa utang mo sa credit card. And number 4, and probably the most important, what is your top priority right now? Kung ang priority mo ay to improve your health, then you can probably use the money to enroll in a gym. Or if ang priority mo ay makapag-resign sa trabaho at makapag-start ng sarili mong negosyo, then that money can be your starting capital, your seed capital for your business. So you can save it and then use it to plan your business. So here are the 4 questions that you can use to help guide you decide kung saan ba maganda dalhin ang 13th month pay mo. Number 1, which emotion would you like to feel? Number 2, which experience would you like to have? Number 3, which is more important to you? And number 4, which one is your top priority? Remember that it is your money, so it is your decision. So spend your 13th month pay and Christmas bonus however you want. Gastusin mo kung saan mo gusto gastusin. But realize and be aware that when you say yes to something, you are saying no to something else. Meron kang sinasacrifice, dinedelay, or sinasabihan mo na hindi ka priority right now when you choose something. Your time and money is limited. You can't have everything that you want all at the same time. But you can certainly decide which ones are so important and should become your top priorities. In the end, whichever and however you decide, may you never look back with regret at this moment and wish you've chosen differently. So, kung saan mo man dadalhin yung iyong 13th-month pay, make sure na yun talaga ang gusto mo dahil yun yung mahalaga, yun yung top priority sa iyo ngayon. At yan ang ating video for today and I hope ay meron kayong bago na natutunan at may mga nakuha kayong personal finance lessons. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page. Hanggang sa susunod nating video, goodbye, take care, and stay safe.